seat behind you.
Where's the seat?
If there is a loss of
I don't think I have a seatbelt.
your seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull it toward your destructive flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic strap around your head and tighten by pulling it again. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing through the veins of the height. Also secure your own mask before helping others.
Why does it rain when you fly?
I don't know. It's bad. It sucks.
Cushion upon exiting aircraft. Push to your chest with the straps facing away. Put your arms to the straps and hold your wrists.
So do you guys have a place on a golf course?
Please take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. Before we take off, seat back on the flight tables and carrying items are still in. Aisle armrests are lowered. As we complete our final safety checks, please let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable flight. Thank you and welcome on board.
I mean, I want to move. You do? You don't want to get off first? Oh, you're ready for the house. That's them. They're going to reach their turn.
Major meeting in college.
I don't have like another person.
Oh, and I'm ready to turn this off. Maybe he has your other.
Well, this part.